Although the 2022 crypto market was hurting investors due to the bear market caused by high inflation and high interest rates, the beginning of 2023 saw many of the world's best crypto investors, such as Michael Saylor and Cathie Wood, buying more cryptocurrency. The idea of buying more crypto when the market is down has worked well over time, but is this the time to do same? Stay tuned as I walk you through how wealthy you will be if you invest $100 in XRP. Although many investors regard cryptocurrencies as a new investment scheme that should not be influenced by changes in inflation and interest rates, they are. Cryptocurrencies perform poorly in an environment of rising inflation and interest rates. This is visible in the bear market of 2022. The Federal Reserve needed to bring inflation down to 2%, which caused all risky assets such as stocks, commodities such as gold, and practically all cryptocurrencies to plummet. In March, Consumer Price Index, CPI, statistics issued by the Bureau of Labor Statistics revealed that the previously high inflation rates were decreasing, with rates currently at 5% year-on-year.
The biggies now, 5% year over year. That was expected to be 5.1. In the rearview mirror still is 6%. And every single month, as I said, since June when it peaked at 9.1, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, now March, have been lower.
This is excellent news for XRP, the number 6 cryptocurrency by market cap, because XRP does well in environments with lower inflation rates. This is due to the fact that many people are able to purchase items at a lower cost, allowing some money to be invested. Furthermore, with low inflation rates, the Federal Reserve is not required to raise interest rates. They will either cease rising rates or begin reducing them. This reduces the cost of borrowing for many investors who wish to borrow money from banks to invest in XRP, hence driving up the price of XRP.
Wonderful!
Since this is true, how much can one earn by investing $100 now in XRP? Stick around to find out. Subscribe to the channel and put on notifications so you don't miss any of our crypto prediction videos, which come with an entry point, risk management, and high reward take profit targets that can make you rich. Ripple has a track record of successfully connecting disparate payment systems and supporting blockchain's promise to help hundreds of financial institutions worldwide address global payments. This can be seen in Ripple Labs' collaboration with numerous financial institutions worldwide, including central banks, to aid in creating their digital currency and advancing their core financial objectives. According to a recent news release, the Central Bank of Montenegro, CBCG, has decided to collaborate with Ripple in developing a strategy and pilot program for introducing the country's first central bank digital currency, CBDC. The Montenegro Prime Minister Dr. Dritan Abazovic confirmed this collaboration on Twitter in Bosnian, which translates into English as a productive meeting with the CEO of the company at Ripple at Barling House and VP for Cooperation with Central Banks, #James Wallace. We discussed the development of a payment infrastructure that would provide greater financial accessibility and inclusion. Montenegro is open to new value and investments. In cooperation with Ripple and the Central Bank, we launched a pilot project to build the first digital currency or stablecoin for Montenegro. This demonstrates how popular Ripple is among financial institutions and government bodies.
Wow, 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 wow.
This is great news because CBDCs may open a gateway on the XRP Ledger, XRPL, that will allow users to deposit and withdraw CBDCs. This would allow the CBDC to be utilized alongside XRP and other digital assets on the XRP Ledger, increasing demand and adoption for XRP. A tremendously optimistic move that might send XRP soaring and return massive rewards to XRP investors. Though that means XRP can reach $3 soon. Well, I will discuss that shortly, so stay tuned to find out. Looking at the price chart, XRP is trading at $0 and 5,510 cents with a current market cap of $26,454,044,115. XRP is down 1.9% over the last 24 hours. This means XRP has performed better than Bitcoin and Ethereum in the last 24 hours, since both Bitcoin and Ethereum are down more than 2%. Looking at the XRP price chart in the daily time frame, XRP is currently in the corrective phase after going through a 5-day rally, reaching a price of $0 and 5,812 cents. This shows that XRP is currently preparing to engage in another bullish run. Looking at the chart in the 4-hour time frame, XRP has to break a short-term price resistance level at $0 and 5,462 cents after testing a support level at $0 and 5,051 cents price level. If the price is able to stay above the $0 and 5,051 cents price level and breaks above the $0 and 5,642 cents resistance level, then XRP has no major resistance to break, and with the right momentum, XRP could reach $1 by year-end. This means a $100 investment now can give investors more than $80 return on investment. Diversifying your investment portfolio is the holy grail of investing because it helps you not to put all your eggs in one basket. In view of this, check out the video on how rich you will be investing just $100 in Shiba Inu to start your diversification journey.